Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the lock screen unlock effect on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So in order to apply a custom effect for lock screen unlocking animation, we're gonna have to download and install the Wonderland extension for GoodLock application. So if you have neither of those, you can download both of them on either on Galaxy Store or in Google Play Store. So search for the GoodLock application. If you don't have it, download and install it. Then let's open it. And in this application, first agree to terms of service and then find and download the Wonderland extension. Let's wait until it's installed. And once the application is installed, open it, then select create your different lock screen effect. Then you can choose either one of the presets with the effects applied to them. You can also check what the effects look like by selecting one of these presets. Or we can create a new effect. And now what we're gonna have to do first is select an image, then select either lock screen or AOD. Now in our case we're looking for the lock screen. Let's select gallery icon to select the photo from the gallery. Then let's allow the application to use our photos. Let's select a wallpaper that we want to set, then tap close, and then let's apply some sort of effect to this photo. As you can see, we have different effects we can apply. I'm looking for the last one called fluid, and now we can also adjust this effect by going to effect settings. I want to make it slower, I want to make the movement slower too, and I want the cohesion to be higher. And now let's see what it creates. Okay, now let's save this wallpaper. We can name it let's select set as wallpaper, then select lock screen, and now let's lock the screen. Let's unlock it. And now you can see this effect when our screen when the screen is unlocked. The image slightly moves using the effect that we customized ourselves. And so that's how you basically do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.